My first month, I didn't see shit. It took me 6 months to actually start making money because I was in an analysis paralysis stage where I thought everything had to be perfect before I started. Now, if you're asking about my students, I've had students make $10,000 in 30 days, $5,000 in 30 days. I've had some students not make any money because they didn't do anything. So it's very different. It just depends on who you are. But the strategy works, right? If I used the same exact strategy and made how much I made, and thousands of other people have made money doing exactly this same strategy, then it's not the strategy that's flawed. The strategy is proven to work. What's flawed is the people that execute on the strategy, whether they choose to execute on it or not. I want you guys to realize that, we see people on the internet, we see people that we look up to, right? And we're like, damn, how did he get so fit? Or how did he make so much money? Or how did he do that? How did he do this? A lot of times, guys, success is really just a reflection of that person, right? Like their ambitions, their goals, their drive, their work ethic. A lot of times you can be successful at anything. It's just a matter of who you are. If you want like a step-by-step blueprint on exactly how to do this e-commerce stuff, then this workshop right here is your best bet. Just go to this link down here, www.ecomdegreeworkshop.com, or you can click the link in my bio. The workshop is tomorrow, guys. It's tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Again, it's completely free to sign up.